The moment I started realizing that I can have more by just being myself and just being soft, that is the time that I actually started attracting abundance, and I started attracting all the great things in my life. Hey my lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's a girlfriend scene. I am a digital content creator. I create content on my YouTube channel, TikTok and Instagram. I will leave all my social handles in the description below. Today I'll be sharing with you on how I use my feminine habits to attract abundance and money. If you're interested, keep on watching. People associate abundance as working hard, putting in all the hard work, not having time to yourself, just doing the most. I started realizing that abundance is actually leaning towards your softness as a woman. The moment I started realizing that I can have more by just being myself and just being soft, that is the time that I actually started attracting abundance, and I started attracting all the great things in my life. The first thing I did was start dressing well for my body, for my skin tone. I just started leaning into texture, into colors. The moment I changed the way that I dressed, I started getting dressed differently. I started implementing more dresses into my outfits, wearing makeup a little bit, implementing all these beautiful colors in my wardrobe. And I feel like that is something that you can also do this 2025 to make yourself more advanced and more feminine. We should always remember that we are living in a world that is very judgmental. People judge. The way that you dress will really speak volumes. So always make sure that you dress well so that you can also be addressed well. You can't just always feel like, oh, I don't care, it's okay whether they like it or not, as long as that I feel good in whatever that I wear, it's okay. No, it doesn't work like that. Just try to put a little bit of effort in your dressing. If you're more of the baggy girl, try to see what fits your body best and whatever that implements your curves, your features. Just try to do better this year. And one thing I like about this generation is that they have made everything easy for us. There's an app called Pinterest. Pinterest helps you find all types of things, whatever that it is. Like if you love dresses like me, you're gonna find dresses. If it's probably you a jean girl, but then you can just just play around with your jeans, play around with your blazers, play around with all type of tops, your blouses, just play around with it. Just make it look feminine, and whatever that it is that makes you feel comfortable, just implement that in your wardrobe as well. The next feminine habit I do to attract abundance and money is to implement feminine routine. Every single morning I wake up around 7 o'clock, 7:30, and the first thing I do is I make my bed. After making my bed, I immediately head to the bathroom. From the bathroom, I then enter into my exercise. I usually do 1 hour 30 minutes exercise depending on the kind of exercise I'm doing on that particular day. After my exercises, I always make sure that I take my vitamins or my supplements. After taking my supplements, I then head to the shower. From the shower, I get ready for work. Immediately I get to work, that is where I then have my breakfast. After my breakfast, I usually do a prayer. After a prayer, I then enter into journaling. It's where I plan my day, I plan my week. I just also speak to my own thoughts, speak to myself, speak to God through my journaling, and just prepare for the week. And these little things just make my life so much better, easy, and just I feel at ease after this little routine. I just love it. And one thing I would really suggest you do and take seriously in this year 2025 is to take your skincare routine very, very serious. Skincare routine is one of the most important things, because I feel like it's not all the time that we're gonna be looking glammed up, have makeup on. Sometimes you just wanna let your skin breathe, just lazy around without any makeup. There are just those moments where you don't have to wear makeup, and having a healthy looking skin is very, very important. So that is one thing that I will suggest that you do this year to have a better life, and as well to just attract abundance and money in your life, because the better you look, the more attractions you're gonna get, the more opportunities are gonna come your way. So just really pay attention into your skincare routine. Drink water, get better sleep every night, probably 7 to 8 hours a night. These are things that will literally build you and give you a better lifestyle. Another thing I started doing to attract abundance and money in my life was to start speaking positivity over my life, like, you know, looking in the mirror and telling myself that I am beautiful, I am capable, whatever that it is that I do is blossoming, it's working for me. Like, God hears me, He answers me, He listens to my prayers. People out there are attracted to me, they love me, they care for me. All these things started showing greatly in my life because then I started speaking positive to me and not just to other people, because I feel like sometimes we are very quick to speak positivity over somebody else and we forget that we need that positivity in ourselves as well. So it's very important when you're doing that skincare routine, when you're doing that makeup routine, just look at yourself and be like, you know what, I'm beautiful, like I look great, I'm amazing. You have a new project coming your way, don't be like, oh my goodness, like what if I fail, what if it's not gonna work, what if I'm not gonna make it. Look at it and be like, okay, I can do this, like I am capable. The fact that they gave me this project, it means that somebody trusted me and they trusted my abilities, so I can make it work, you know. So the moment you start looking at yourself and be like, you know what, I can, you will. So just start speaking positivity over your life and do not forget to receive. Be open to receiving, be open to like, you know, people complimenting you, be open to people saying good about you, be open to people giving you stuff. Like, you know, God has put you in this world to take up space, to take up whatever that it is that He wants you to, like, you know, live for. So take it and take it with your whole full arm. Another part of my life that I used to attract feminine abundance and money was to indulge in good things, indulge in whatever that it is that I like, indulge in my favorite restaurants, indulge in my hobbies, like, you know, just making sure that I'm happy in the little things that I do, because at the end of the day, the only person that I'm living for here is me. Like, you know, God created me by myself and I work hard, so why can't I just enjoy the little things? If I see that bag, I get it. If I see that nice chain, I get it. If I see whatever that is that I like, I get it. You should be definitely open to indulging in whatsoever that it is that comes to heart, that comes to mind. If it's a trip, a girl's trip that you want to take that girl's trip. If it's traveling the whole world, travel the world. If you have the capacity and are capable to, then do it. Whatever that it is that brings joy, calmness, ease, peace to you, do it. I literally wouldn't tell anybody otherwise. Like, you know, do it, because then I feel like the more you do great things for yourself, the more abundance is attracted to you, because then you're giving room for that, you're giving room for joy, you're giving room for goodness, and it's just gonna flow in your life. So don't ever be stingy to yourself. Don't look at somebody else doing something great for themselves and you are actually capable of doing that, yet withholding it from yourself. Do not do that. Like, you know, allow yourself to live in that moment, allow yourself to indulge in that moment. Like, you know, go to that favorite restaurant of yours, like, be happy, just indulge in what is good and what is positive, and do not withhold anything from yourself. Live positive. I feel like the more positive you are, the better you attract. You know, just release all negativity and be positive. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you have learned a lot, and I hope you really take these feminine habits to attract money and abundance in your life. And I just wish you all the best, and I will keep you in my prayers. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Please do give this video 100 likes. Like, watch it and like it. Please do like this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye. Love you, lovies.